All right, ladies, a very, very good evening to all of you. I hope you guys are doing good. A digital hi to everyone. I would request all of you to start your videos and please keep your audio on mute. Great. I can see some lovely faces across the screen, and I would request you all to smile a little. This is, you kickstarting your journey and fulfilling your dream of becoming a model, actor, or whatever your personal aspiration is. All the very best. And of course, welcome to Forever Star India. This is not just a beauty pageant, but we are creating a community of women who are really like minded, talented, and passionate to create a unique identity for themselves. So it's just you that are going to shine across today. These are your times, to put yourself in the best version. So all the very, very best for your audition. And today, of course, before we quick start, I have a very, very special guest today with us. That is Gundeep Kaur, who is an FCR participant. Because I'm sure, who better than the one to relate with जो आप ही के step shoes से जाके गुजरा हो, the one who is already a city finalist from Delhi, and she represents our community in a very, very appropriate way. Because I'm sure, you would understand what kind of bifurcations and the kind of commitment it takes to become a winner eventually. So I would request Gundeep to join in.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Harry. And
Hi, Gundeep. How are you?
hello. Hello, everyone. I hope you all are nervous and excited. And, it gives me immense pleasure and thank FCR team to give me this opportunity to share my journey with you all, because I know there are butterflies in your stomach and you all are excited and nervous to appear for your audition. And I've also gone through all this, so I understand how it feels. So I'll not take much of your time. And talking about my journey, I have participated in many beauty pageants, but how FCI is different. So let me tell you a few things like how FCI is different. First of all, FCI is giving platform to all the lovely ladies like us, irrespective of their age, height, caste, and everything. Unfortunately, COVID happens, and in this pandemic, everything gone virtual. So FCR is trying their best to give us virtual grooming sessions. And I know you all gonna love your journey from now, because you're gonna attend many, many grooming sessions where you will understand like how to present yourself. Because grooming sessions on makeup, how you have to sit, your postures, accessories is the main important thing, because one accessory can change the whole mood. So I'm sure you all are very excited, and any concern, any questions you can ask me, because I know how it feels. I'm also a participant and I've gone all through this. So I'll wish you all the very, very best for this. So just take a deep breath. Don't hesitate, don't hesitate. Just think this is your first and the last opportunity. You have to give your best, and just take a deep breath and put your best foot forward. All the very best, ladies. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gundeep. Thank you so much. It's lovely having you. And you, of course,
Thank you.
Proud by being just the best version of yourself. Thank you so much. I should
thank you.
And of course, moving on to these lovely ladies today. So again, all the very, very best. Be your confident self. The language shouldn't be a barrier. But before kick-starting, I need to inform you about the audition process. So the audition process is going to be in 2 steps. The first being your introduction. Keep it very crisp and short. उसको बहुत ही detail में नहीं, आपको बहुत ही short रखना है. And secondly, make sure you kickstart your dream of becoming a model by showing your glimpse of 2 ramp walks. In your introduction, you have to primarily include, your hobbies and why you are here. Why do you want to win the crown of Forever Miss or Mrs. India, respectively? So all the best. And of course, who's going to judge you? Who's going to be the jury? The jury is going to be our director of Forever Star India, Miss Kirti Chaudhary, and I welcome her with an open heart today, because she has been nurturing this project since a few months, and who better than a boss lady to talk about the platform and give you some motivation to feel a little relaxed than your nervous faces. So over to you, Kirti ma'am. Welcome on board.
Thank you so much, Harry, and good evening, lovely ladies. Yeah, seeing all of you mostly in black on a beautiful Friday evening. You're looking lovely. And all the best for today's audition for Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2021. Do not worry about anything. Do not stress over anything. It's just an audition. You have to present your best selves to us. You just have to tell us that what are you? What are your aspirations? Why are you here on this platform? आप Forever Miss India में क्यों participate करना चाहते हैं? And trust me, if you are passionate about something in your life, you are totally in for today's audition, right? Do not worry about your language. If you're comfortable in English, आप English में अपना introduction दीजिए. If you're comfortable in Hindi, आप हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं. You do not need to seek anyone's permission for that, right? हिंदी हमारी मातृभाषा है, so हिंदी में आप खुल के बात कीजिए, लेकिन उसी लैंग्वेज में बात कीजिए जिस लैंग्वेज में आप खुद को appropriately express कर सकते हैं, right? We want you to express yourselves freely for that matter. Introduction and then your ramp walk. Keep your introduction very, very crisp. All the best.
Thank you, Kirti ma'am. Thank you so much. Now let's get to know these lovely ladies. And, I'm sure you guys are interesting, unique individuals who have a lot to tell. So let's start with Divyanshi. Hi, Divyanshi. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. I would request you to start with your introduction.
Okay. I'm Divyanshi Rai and I belongs to Uttar Pradesh, Azamgarh. And I'm a fashion designer student. I just gave my final year exams. I completed my study from INIFD Kothur, Pune. And here I am presenting myself as a model, and this is my first time actually. And I love to dance.
Are you nervous, Divyanshi?
Yes.
You don't have to be nervous at all. This is your time to shine. This is your time. Just be you. And trust me, you can talk to me like you interact with a friend. I am really, really looking forward to know more about you guys.
Okay. So, मुझे डांस करना बहुत पसंद है और किसी रीजंस की वजह से मुझे अपना डांस छोड़ना पड़ा एंड देन आई जॉइन फैशन डिजाइनिंग. और मैं इस कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट इसलिए करना चाहती हूँ कि बिकॉज जब मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाती हूँ, लाइक आई एम फ्रॉम आजमगढ़, तो एवरीवन इज लाइक ओ तुमसे तो डर के रहना पड़ेगा. तो मुझे अपने स्टेट को और अपनी सिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करना है, लाइक रिस्पेक्ट देनी है. मुझे ऐसा नहीं कि अरे तुम तो उस स्टेट से बिलोंग करती हो, ऐसा नहीं चाहिए मुझे. तो इसलिए मैं इस कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहती हूँ. एंड सेकेंड रीजन इज कि लाइक माय टाइप ऑफ गर्ल्स हु आर लाइक 5'2", 5'3", ऑलवेज थिंकिंग दैट कि हम नहीं कर सकते पार्टिसिपेट इन फील्ड्स में बिकॉज हमारी हाइट कम है और हम नहीं कर सकेंगे. तो मैं उनके लिए एक एग्जाम्पल क्रिएट करना चाहती हूँ कि आपको जो भी करना है आप कर सकते हो, आपको किसी की सुननी नहीं चाहिए.
ओके, वंडरफुल. दिव्यांशी, आई लव कितनी ट्रांसपेरेंसी है. सबसे पहले आपने क्लियर किया कि मुझे अपने सिटी और स्टेट को राइटली प्रेजेंट करना है, नॉट इन अ नेगेटिव वे, राइट? Secondly, you pointed out very correctly that beauty pageants have been a very orthodox, stereotypical platform जहाँ पे आपका judgment आपके physical attribute से किया जाता है. So usual standard model height अगर मैं देखूँ तो it's considered 5'5", 5'6". उससे नीचे तो there is no chance that you can become a model. But why should a physical attribute prevent you from becoming a successful model? आज का social media is more than a big proof that none of your physical attributes matter. You just need to be talented. And that is why we proudly call our FCR platform very, very inclusive. क्योंकि अगर आपने height criteria, weight criteria check किए हों, we have kept them as inclusive as possible. So thank you so much, Divyanshi. It was lovely talking to you, and I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Okay. Am I visible?
Yes, you are visible. You can start.
Is it okay?
Divyanshi, can we have one more round, please?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Divyanshi. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
Even I am good. Thank you for asking. You're looking lovely, by the way, and totally following the dress code for today, huh?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, अभी रैंप वॉक में काफी काम करने की जरूरत है, हाँ. I don't know, you were just walking so casually. बहुत casual walk था आपका. Your hands in your pocket. So ऐसे नहीं होता है. There's a specific hand movement that needs to be followed. और आपका space भी I think थोड़ा सा कम था, इसीलिए you were not very comfortable walking. But do not worry, this is something that can be worked upon. But otherwise, you look lovely and you are confident. आप जैसा कि मैंने बोला किसी भी लैंग्वेज में बात कर सकते हो, लेकिन जो भी लैंग्वेज आप चूज करते हो उसमें आप खुद को परफेक्टली एक्सप्रेस कर पाए. That language has to be chosen, be it English or Hindi. All the best from my side.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Divyanshi. Thank you so much. Let's hear it from the lady in white, जिनका username iPhone show हो रहा है. Hi. जिन्होंने white black dress पहना है stripes वाला. She's wearing hoops. Yeah. Hi. Can I please have your name?
Mahi, ma'am.
Mahi. Hi, Mahi. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Okay, great. Can I please get to know more of you? Can we start with your introduction?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. My name is Mahi Gill, and I'm from Dehradun. Currently live in Jaipur, Rajasthan. My height 5'2", age 21 years. Actually, मैं एक NGO से काम करती हूँ. मैं एक NGO में बचपन से रही हूँ और मैं कुछ बनना चाहती हूँ बिकॉज मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ सबको कि एक NGO की लड़की भी बहुत कुछ कर सकती है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि उसकी फैमिली, उसकी बैकग्राउंड नहीं है तो वो कुछ नहीं कर सकती है, क्योंकि आज के टाइम में लोग बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं. जिनकी फैमिली नहीं होती उन्हें बहुत कुछ सुनने को मिलता है. तो मैं वो प्रूफ करना चाहती हूँ, इसलिए मैं इस लाइन को चूज किया है और इसलिए मैं आना चाहती हूँ.
आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा माही. आपका बैकग्राउंड डज नॉट डिसाइड. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू लुक, आई वांट टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट, यू लुक लवली. Love the way you've done your makeup. You are so well prepared for the round today, and it shows that you are really passionate for the round, and it shows your commitment towards what you are doing. So of course I would like to do one more thing. What do you enjoy as an individual? आपकी hobbies क्या क्या हैं?
My hobbies is dancing, singing and modeling. और मुझे एक्टिंग करना भी बहुत पसंद है और मैं कभी-कभी घर पे ही कभी-कभी छोटा-मोटा वीडियो बना लेती हूँ. और मैम आप सभी के लिए मेरी तरफ से एक थॉट्स है जो मैंने खुद से बनाया हुआ है कि मैं बोलना चाहूंगी कि सभी के लिए मैं एक मेरी तरफ से जो लाइन है, 2 लाइन मैं बोलना चाहूंगी कि हमने खाई है गरीबी में ठोकर, हम आंधी और तूफान हो जाएंगे. हमने खाई है गरीबी में ठोकर, हम आंधी और तूफान हो जाएंगे. एक दिन चाहेगी ये दुनिया हमें, हम हर एक दिल के अरमान बन जाएंगे.
Wonderful. I love your confidence. I love the vibe that you have created around, and I can see some of them smiling across the screen. So Mahi, I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Just wait. It's done, ma'am.
Thank you, Mahi. Thank you so much. Your walk was indeed, very appropriate, and I'm sure कुछ काम हो सकता है. There is a lot of scope for improvement, but that the experts will be taking care of. Thank you.
Thank you
And
so much.
I'll get back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Sonali. Hi Sonali, how are you?
Yeah, hi, I'm fine. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. Can we please start with an introduction?
Yeah, sure. Before the introduction, I just wanted to tell you people ki like I'm in a no network zone. I'm in Goa actually. So maybe there should be some network problem. I don't know. So maybe that can be a problem. So you
No,
just let me know.
as of now, you're perfectly visible and audible. So carry on. Don't worry. Yeah.
Yeah, good evening everyone. My name is Shunali Roy and I'm from City of Joy, Kolkata. I'm 40 years old and I'm having a child who is just my lifeline, my son. He is 4 years old. I'm an MBA, I'm a corporate professional and also a plus size model. Basically, I believe beauty lies in your heart and mind, not only in your body. So being a plus size, I can do modeling. So always just do believe yourself, be what you are, be proud what you are, and just follow your dreams. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sonali. Thank you. I love the vibe that you have generated. Your smile is beautiful. And I would like to know more that, is there anything apart from modeling that you enjoy? Any hobby that you pursue?
Yeah, basically for my job, actually, I need to do traveling and all. So I love to do traveling, singing, dancing, and acting.
Wonderful, wonderful. So that seems like a multi-talented person, I feel. So thank you so much, Sonali. I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Yeah, sure. Can I get some music? Like I have it. Can I use it?
Your music.
Yeah. Thank you. Done.
Thank you, Sonali. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, even I am good. So let me just tell you, you're looking lovely. Your dress is looking lovely. And the way you were talking about yourselves, I just loved it. I'm sure, we have so many participants for today's audition. And, each one of us, we have one or the other body image issue, right? So when even one of us talks about it, so it actually, generates that positivity that, yes, this is not something that defines us. We are unique in our own ways. So thank you so much for talking about it. And I'm sure because this is the whole idea of our community, we are here to inspire each other, motivate each other, and help each other in growing. So you can be, a constructive member of this community, I'm sure. Secondly, I like the positions that you were taking in your ramp walk, but the way you were walking, it was very casual. Yeah. So some work can be done with respect to your ramp walk, but the confidence that you carry is commendable. Keep up the good work. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sonali. Thank you so much. And now let's hear it from Shrutika. Hi, Shrutika. Shrutika, आप mute पे हैं. अपना mic on कीजिए, please.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am good, ma'am.
Okay. Please अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I am Shrutika Sonparate from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I am 25 years old. I am pursuing medicine from Philippines. I am in final years in medicine. And actually right now I am in Delhi. I am joining hospital in Delhi for practicing medicine. And my hobbies are watching Netflix, traveling to beaches, and I love to visit historical places and enjoy or time spent with my friends and families too. And I already participated in 3 pageants last time, and I got selected in all three. Uh, but I only participate in two of the pageant because at that time my parents are in COVID situation, so I'm not able to continue that events. Then now I am here to participate in Forever Star because I'm separated from my husband, I'm separated from my ex-husband, and I have 5 years old daughter actually. But it's like I want to participate in this pageant because of being a divorcee or being a separated woman. It's not like a regret, it's like a lesson for everyone. And I believe that with that experience you can get so many things, and you can move forward, and you can settle down also. So I want to represent city, state, or all over the country. Because of being a divorcee, it's not like we are like different thing, it's only we are human beings, so it's okay for being divorced, it's not a shame or anything.
Okay, Shrutika, I please have your smile?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Better. Now it's good. So first of all, kudos for you to talking about your personal insecurities out on a public platform. It takes a lot of courage to talk about your
Yeah,
experiences. And of course, you rightly pointed out, it does not define who you are, and it is not
yeah,
a stigma, it is not a taboo that usually the society creates. It's a choice. It's a
yeah,
choice you end up making for your better future. And of
yeah.
course, this brings you here today, and we are really, really glad that you decided to take the step up, because I'm sure you're going to become a huge inspiration for your daughter. So,
Yes, ma'am.
Ritika, and I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Sure, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shrutika, it's okay. How are you?
Wait, ma'am, wait. I can't hear you.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes. Sorry. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, even I am good. And you have so much energy inside you. You're so enthusiastic. आपका ramp walk इतना ज़्यादा fast था, so ऐसे लग रहा था कि बस energy ऐसे निकल के आ रही है. So थोड़ा सा slow, थोड़ा सा आराम से, right? So these trainers, ramp walk experts, pageant groomers, they're actually going to channelize your energy. आपकी energy को properly channelize करेंगे, because that's really good. Mostly in women, what we see is they're so lethargic, they're so lazy, dheere dheere walk kar rahe hain. But that is extremely good, I must say. Looking at you, you do not even look married once, right? You look very
Yeah.
young to me. It doesn't seem that you have a 5-year-old baby. So yes, it will be a fresh start for you if you get selected on this platform. I am sure you are going to inspire a lot of women on this platform. So all the best from my side.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shrutika. Thank you so much. I will be getting back to you in a while, and let's hear it from
Okay,
Ritika.
ma'am.
Hi, Ritika.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. You tell me.
I'm also good. First of all, ma'am, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to represent myself in front of you. So thank you so much.
It's an absolute pleasure having you here, Ritika, and I'm sure you're going to add a lot of value to the platform. So just start with your introduction.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Ritika Patil, and I'm 23-year-old. I live in Samner, and I'm pursuing my graduation. And my hobby is dancing, and I like to dance, and I like to sing also. And my height is 5'4", and I'm the kind of person who loves to spend time with children and animals and with nature. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ritika. You were smiling all the while. Where did the smile go while you were talking? क्या हुआ?
Nothing, ma'am. I am quite nervous.
You don't have to be nervous. You have a lovely smile. आप smile करोगे, आपकी nervousness वहीं छुप जाएगी.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
All right, Ritika. Now tell me what brings you here. आज आप इस platform पे क्या सपना लेके आई हैं?
Ma'am, actually, it is my childhood dream. बचपन से मैंने इसके सिवा कोई सपना देखा ही नहीं है. It is only my aim and it is only my dream to become Miss World. So this is only my dream. Like इसके सिवा मेरा और कोई dream नहीं है. And I want to achieve my goal. And that's it.
Okay, Ritika, you are one of the very few participants who have outrightly mentioned that उन्हें Miss India नहीं, उन्हें Miss World बनना है. So that shows your commitment. That shows that you have a clarity of thought. And I would request you to start with your rap walk.
Okay, ma'am. I'm visible, ma'am.
Yes, Ritika, you're visible. You can start.
Yes, I have done.
क्या हुआ रितिका, कहाँ जाने की जल्दी है आपको?
कहीं नहीं, ma'am. Actually, I'm quite nervous. Actually, this is my first time, so that's why.
No, you shouldn't be nervous. You're looking so lovely. Your dress is looking lovely. Your hair is looking lovely. फिर आप क्यों nervous हो रखे हो?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. Do not worry about anything. Stress जब होता है ना, तभी हम जल्दी सब कुछ खत्म करने की कोशिश करते हैं. So whenever you're appearing for any audition, any talent round in future, if you're here on the platform, just take a deep breath. And this is for the remaining participants. Before you start speaking, just take a deep breath. Trust me, it's going to help. Your nervousness will just go down and your excitement levels will increase. So yes, Ritika, overall, you look good to me. ठीक है, जैसा कि आपने बोला nervousness की वजह से आपने ramp walk थोड़ा सा जल्दी कर दिया, but आपका ramp walk average था. Yes, you are capable.
Ma'am, can I show you
of
again?
doing much. Yes.
Can I show you again?
Yes, please, you can. I would love to see it
ma'am.
again.
Thank you. Ma'am, I think the video is stopped or not?
No, I can see you. Okay, see, without even getting a training, you did better. मतलब अभी तो मैंने कुछ बताया नहीं था, आपने फिर भी इतना अच्छा किया, right?
No,
So
ma'am,
that
actually,
shows. हाँ.
जैसा मैंने आपको बताया, actually I'm quite nervous. उसके वजह से थोड़ा हो गया, but actually मैं इससे भी better कर सकती हूँ.
That's lovely. आप इससे better, आप इससे बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हो. You are capable enough of doing everything and anything on earth. Right. So all the best and hoping to see you in the training sessions, Ritika.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ritika. I will be getting back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Revati. Hi, Revati. Revati, आप म्यूट पे हैं. अपना माइक ऑन कर लीजिए, प्लीज.
Am I audible?
Yes, now you are audible. Hi, कैसी हैं आप?
I'm awesome.
Wonderful. I am good, and I would love for you to start with your awesome introduction.
Okay, thank you. Hello? Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, Revati. I can hear you, and I can even see you. You can start.
Myself, Revati Sadpute, and I'm from Maharashtra. I have a NEET exam, and I'm a science student. And yeah, my hobbies are painting, dancing, and listening songs and reading books. And yeah, that's it.
Why that's it? You can speak more. Why? What brings you here? आपका क्या सपना है Forever Star India के साथ?
Ma'am, I never thought that I would participate in this Forever in Miss India. But if hello, ma'am.
जी continue.
Ma'am, I'm partner.
रेवती आपका वीडियो रुक गया था, so I couldn't hear you. Can you please repeat what you were saying?
Okay. I'm audible, ma'am.
Yeah, now you are audible.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
रेवती
आपकी आवाज आ रही है? Continue with your introduction.
Okay. मैम मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम पार्टिसिपेट किया है इसमें, तो मतलब आई एम अ मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, तो वो पेरेंट्स का वो होता है ना कि मतलब आप नहीं कर सकते कोई मॉडलिंग या फिर ये सब मतलब नहीं कर सकते, तो आई एम जस्ट वन that said that a girl, a woman can do anything that they want, and yeah, and बाकी सब ने कहा that height issue and you know family issue and society issue most problem. So yeah,
Okay, Revati, I think you don't need anybody's validation. आपका खुद का awesome attitude is going to take you really long way. And I love कि आपने starting से ही you were very confident that I want to prove myself. I understand कि बहुत सारा negative associated होता है modeling industry के साथ, glamour industry के साथ. But I'm sure वो कहीं ना कहीं आज settle down हो गया होगा, because our platform takes immense pride, because we are women oriented. Even our director and our mostly 95% of our employees are females, because we understand that सबसे पहले जब भी हम, इनफैक्ट अगर आप लोगों ने ऑडिशन का भी एक वो देखा होगा रजिस्ट्रेशन का पोस्ट, सबसे पहला थॉट जो हमें स्ट्राइक करता है कहीं ये फेक तो नहीं है, हमारी डिटेल्स जाने वाली है, वी डबल चेक एवरीथिंग, वी क्रॉस चेक एवरीथिंग, because for women it's more trickier to send out our personal details. So I don't think there is anything to worry about. You can get comfortable, and I'm sure you're going to prove your family with your proud identity post getting into the training sessions. So Revati, आपकी रैंप वॉक के साथ शुरू करें?
Okay, yeah.
Great.
Just
sure.
Is it fine, ma'am?
Yes, Revati, it's perfect. You can sit back comfortably.
Okay, मैम मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम पार्टिसिपेट किया है एंड वॉक भी मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम ही किया है, तो
बिल्कुल दिख रहा है, इसमें कोई दोराई नहीं है, बट आपने रैंप वॉक अच्छा किया, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ किया, काफी इंप्रूव हम कर सकते हैं अभी आपकी रैंप वॉक को, बट ओवरऑल योर रैंप वॉक वाज एवरेज. And I wanted to tell you one thing. When you said awesome, when Harry asked you how are you, you said awesome. So I was instantly reminded of my daughter. She's 3.5 years old, and whenever she's attending her online classes, and her class teacher asks her every morning, "How are you, Dhruvika?" So she says, "Awesome, ma'am." So that's the childlike innocence that you have, right? And that's something rare nowadays, right? Innocence बहुत कम देखने को मिलती है. So you are an innocent soul. And थोड़ा सा हमें आपके कॉन्फिडेंस पे, आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स पे काम करने की जरूरत है, because you are capable of doing so much, but with a lot more confidence. थोड़ा सा confidence, so that you can put across your point with say you can stress on it more, and people will listen to you then, right? But you are capable enough of doing so much more in life. So Revati, all the best from my side.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Revati. Thank you so much. Let's hear it from Shubhangi. Hi, Shubhangi. Can we please have your audio? आपका mic off है.
Hello, ma'am. Am I
Hi.
audible?
Yes, now you are audible. You look lovely. आपने वीडियो क्यों ऑफ किया हुआ था?
नहीं मैम, मतलब यहाँ पर बच्चे थे इसीलिए ऑफ किया था.
Okay. So Shubhangi, I would request you to start with your introduction.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am, and thank you for this opportunity.
Yeah.
My name is Shubhangi Vibhute. My name is Shubhangi Vibhute, ma'am, and I'm 23 years old, and I'm from Belagavi, which is located in Karnataka. And I did my graduation in BSc from Rani Channamma University, Belagavi, ma'am. And currently, I'm preparing for Karnataka State Police exams. And I belongs to farmers family, ma'am. And my hobbies are dancing and मैं एक artist भी हूँ. And also मैंने अभी तक 80+ poems भी लिखा है. And I love traveling and public speaking and also anchoring. And why I participate in this pageant, because modeling is my passion. And I believe if you follow your passion, success follows you, ma'am. So that's why I'm here. And also I think this is the best platform where should I recognize more and I glamour more in this industry. So this is all about me, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you, Shubhangi. I love your positivity and the transparency you kept throughout. There was a flow that you had prepared and it went out really well. So I would request you to start with your rap walk.
Hello, ma'am.
Shubhangi, आपकी रैम वॉक के साथ शुरू करें?
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Sure.
Ma'am, am I visible?
Yes, Shubhangi, you're visible. You can start.
Am I visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Is it okay, ma'am?
Shubhangi, can we please have one more round? आपने बहुत जल्दी खत्म कर दिया.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. सब खाना हो गया. Ma'am, is it okay?
Yeah, Shubhangi, it's perfectly fine. So how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you for asking. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, even I am good. I like your confidence. Although आपकी जो walk है वो जब आप थोड़ा सा दूर जा रहे थे तो मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रही थी. It's so dark outside. But yes, I could make out one thing, that you were confident while you were walking, right? So that's the most important thing about a ramp walk, your confidence. Because your walk portrays how confident you are internally, right? So you're a confident person. जो technicalities थोड़ी सी हैं उन पे काम किया जा सकता है. And I totally love your hair. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shubhangi. I'll be getting back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Abhiksha. Hi, Abhiksha.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Good, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. And I would request for you to start with your introduction.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. My name is Abeksha Dase from the land of Lord Jagannath, Odisha. By profession, I am an advocate. By passion, a certified makeup artist. And by choice, a model. Love to dance, bright vibes, and spread smiles wherever I go. Well, coming from a small city with the high dreams, to break the stereotypes that married women are not meant for this glamorous industry. Because I truly believe सपने वो नहीं जो आप सोते वक्त देखते हैं सपने तो वो होते हैं जो आपको सोने नहीं देते and that's the reason I'm here with my never ending dreams. Thank you so much.
Abhipsha, that was a very well prepared, crisp introduction, I must say. Your confidence sparks, and I'm sure the kind of even presentation you have done is beautiful. So this brings you a step closer to your journey, and I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Okay. Give me only 1 minute, ma'am.
Sure. Thank you, Abhipsha. Thank you so much. Your walk exuberates a lot of confidence, and love the fact that you put in an extra effort of playing the music, just like Sonali did. And it shows how brilliantly sincere you guys are to the entire performance process. So thank you so much, Abhipsha. It was lovely hearing from you, and I'll get back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Anushri till then. Hi, Anushri.
Hi.
कैसी हैं आप?
Fine. And you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
What?
Oh, I would request you to start with your introduction. I'm so sorry, I got confused. Yeah.
Oh, okay. मैंने कहा first ramp walk. My name is Anushri and मैं हाउसवाइफ हूँ एंड एक टीचर भी हूँ और बचपन में ही मेरे मम्मी पापा मर गए थे एंड लाइक टू और जिससे मेरे ड्रीम बचपन में पूरे नहीं हो पाए और उन्हीं ड्रीम्स को पूरे करने के लिए मैं इस रीजन के थ्रू प्रूफ करना चाहती हूँ वुमेन पावर को एक प्रूफ करना चाहती हूँ कि व्हाट इज वुमेन आखिर में एक वुमेन होती क्या है और उनके अंदर क्या पावर्स होती है वो क्या प्रूफ कर सकती हैं अपने आप को वो बहुत कुछ होती हैं अपनी फैमिली को भी संभालती हैं अपने काम को भी करती हैं बाहर की फील्ड में भी करती हैं शी इज वो हर रूप में होती हैं तो मैं ये प्रूफ करना चाहती हूँ कि वुमेन पावर क्या होती है एंड मुझे कुकिंग करना टीचिंग करना बच्चों को पढ़ाना डांसिंग करना एक्टिंग करना बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है अगर थोड़ा दिमाग परेशान हो जाता है या टेंशन में होती हूँ तो मैं बस सिंगिंग करती हूँ और उसको गा देती हूँ बस मतलब भागो यहाँ से
Wonderful, Anushri. I love your confidence and जितनी clarity से आपने अपने दिल की बात बोली मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. I would request you to now finally start with your ramp walk.
Okay. इसे क्या
देख रहे हैं
Yes, Anushri, देख रहे हैं. आप शुरू कीजिए.
I'm fine.
Thank you, Anushri. Thank you so much. I love how happy you are while walking down the ramp, which shows that this is your dream from childhood. So thank you so much, and I will be getting back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Karina till then. Hi, Karina Khan. Can we please have your video?
Hello. Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you? What about you, ma'am?
Thank you for asking, and I would, request you to start with the introduction. I would love to know more.
Hello. Hi, ma'am.
Yeah.
आज है आपके पास? My
Yes.
name is Karin.
आपने सुन पा
My
रही हैं?
name is
के साथ शुरू कीजिए. Yeah.
My name is Karin. My age 22 year old. My hobby is dancing, modeling, acting. I'm professional model, 1 years old. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, so that was very quick. And now tell me, what is your dream here? Do you want to become an actor? Do you want to become a model? What is your final aspiration to forever star India?
Hello. मैम आवाज नहीं आ रहा आपका? नेटवर्क इशू चल रहा है.
करीना, अभी आप सुन पा रही हैं मुझे?
Yes, ma'am.
I wanted to ask कि आपका final dream क्या है? Do you want to become a model या आपको actor?
Superstar. Hello. Hello.
Karina, is it better now? Can you hear me?
I am next target Miss India, ma'am.
Okay, Miss India, wonderful. So आपकी ramp walk के साथ शुरू करें, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Hi, ma'am. Hello. दिख रहा है मैम आपको?
Thank you, Karina. Thank you so much. Your walk was indeed confident, and I'm sure you're going to learn a lot from the experts while they take over. Thank you. And let's hear it from Nilima till then. Hi, Nilima. हाय नीलिमा, कैसी हैं आप?
मैं अच्छी हूँ मैम, आप कैसे हो?
मैं भी बहुत अच्छी हूँ. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया पूछने के लिए. प्लीज अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
एक्चुअली मैम क्या हुआ, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम था, इसकी वजह से मैं जल्दी से कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाई मैम. मेरा नाम हेलो
जी नीलिमा, कंटिन्यू कीजिए.
जी. हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज नीलिमा अवसरमोल. आई एम 37 years old. मैं पुणे से हूँ मैम. मैं और मैं हाउस वाइफ हूँ. और मुझे लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना मुझे बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि मेरे लाइफ में ऐसा कभी कुछ शादी से पहले ऐसा कुछ कभी ऐसे लाइफ में भी ऐसे टर्निंग पॉइंट आया नहीं कि मैंने कुछ करना चाहिए. बट लेकिन बोलते कि हाउस वाइफ है तो कुछ कर नहीं सकती है, बट मुझे दिखाना है कि नहीं मैं भी कुछ कर सकती हूँ, हाउस वाइफ भी कुछ कर सकती है. तो मुझे लाइफ में मैम मुझे बहुत आगे जाना है. और मेरी हॉबीज है एक मॉडल एंड एक सॉरी मैम.
No issues, no issues. Nilima, take a deep breath, calm down. It's okay. आपकी स्माइल इतनी प्यारी है, I can't take my eyes off your smile. You're so pretty. Now tell me, आपकी हॉबीज और क्या क्या हैं? आपको मॉडलिंग करना पसंद है, उसके अलावा what do you enjoy? Is it dancing, singing, gardening? What is it?
मुझे कुकिंग करना बहुत पसंद है मैम। मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है, मुझे बाहर खाना बहुत पसंद है। मुझे घर साफ सुथरा रखना बहुत पसंद है। और घर पे कोई गेस्ट आए तो उन लोगों का उनको बहुत अच्छे से उनको स्वागत करना, उनको अच्छे से खिलाना, उनके लिए काफी कुछ करना मुझे बहुत पसंद है। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं लाइफ में मुझे कुछ ऐसा करना है कि मैम कि हर कोई मुझे जाने, क्योंकि मेरी फैमिली से मेरी मम्मी की फैमिली से, मेरे ससुराल की फैमिली से ऐसी कोई लेडी नहीं है कि जो इतने आगे तक आई हो या फिर कोई आई होगी। क्योंकि हर कोई बोलता है कि घर मतलब कि कम पढ़ी है तो लाइफ में ये आगे क्या बढ़ेगी, अपने बच्चों को क्या पढ़ाएगी आगे। बट नहीं, मुझे लाइफ में इतने आगे बढ़ना है, मुझे इतनी चीज दिखाना है, मैं बहुत कुछ कर सकती हूँ। और मैंने इसके लिए एक फैशन शो भी किया था, कपड़ों का रैंप वॉक था, एक कपड़ों का शूट था, मैंने वहां पर भी किया है। मैंने वहां पर भी फर्स्ट टाइम मेरा रैंप वॉक था, मैं थोड़ी सी डर गई थी, मैं नर्वस हो गई थी, तो मैंने गलत कर दिया था। मैंने वहां डांट खाई, बट मैंने बोली डांट खाई, आज यहाँ डांट खाई, लेकिन आगे मैं डांट नहीं खाऊंगी, मुझे इसके आगे और बढ़ना है, मुझे बड़े स्टेज में जाना है और मुझे परफॉर्मेंस करना है, किसी भी हाल में करना है, बट करना है।
Wonderful. नहीं नहीं, सॉरी क्यों बोल रही हैं? सबसे पहले तो आपने खुद ही गिना दिया कि हाउसवाइफ क्या नहीं कर सकती। आपने बोला आपको कुकिंग पसंद है, आपको होस्ट करना पसंद है, ये इतने सारे टैलेंट्स हैं आपके अंदर। सो ऑलरेडी आपको किसी को कुछ प्रूव करने की जरूरत नहीं है। आपका सपना है, आप पूरा कीजिए और खुद के लिए पूरा कीजिए। दैट्स इट। लोगों ने तो आपके सपना पूरे होने के बाद भी बहुत बातें बना देनी है। सो डोंट वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग एट ऑल। यू लुक लवली, आपकी स्माइल बहुत खूबसूरत है। एंड आपने इतनी चीजें खुद गिनाई, राइट, कि आपको क्या क्या करना पसंद है। यू टोल्ड मी यू लव कुकिंग, यू लव टू होस्ट पीपल, सो दैट मेक्स यू अ मल्टी टैलेंटेड वुमेन। कौन कर सकता है ये? मुझे कुकिंग नहीं आती, आई एम रियली बैड एट इट, तो मैं तो आपकी जितनी टैलेंटेड हुई नहीं, राइट? सो लेट्स गेट टू योर रैंप वॉक। आज आपको डांट नहीं पड़ेगी, सो आज आप कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ, इसी स्माइल के साथ अपना रैंप वॉक शुरू।
ओके, एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
थैंक यू नीलिमा, थैंक यू सो मच। आप प्लीज कंफर्टेबली बैठ जाइए।
थैंक यू मैम। जी मैम।
ग्रेट, यू परफॉर्म सो वेल। आप कितने कॉन्फिडेंटली और कितनी खूबसूरत स्माइल के साथ आपने परफॉर्म किया। आई लव्ड इट एंड आई एम श्योर आप धीरे धीरे सीखने की जो आपके अंदर चाह है अपने आप को प्रूव करने की, इट इज गोइंग टू टेक यू अ लॉन्ग लॉन्ग वे। सो अभी आप अपने आप को म्यूट कर लीजिए ताकि मैं वाइंड अप कर पाऊं। ऑलराइट, All right, ladies, I would request you to all of you to start your video so that I can wind up. And of course, जैसे आप लोगों ने हमें अपने बारे में बताया, I would like to talk about the platform in detail because I'm sure you would want to know कि आप कहाँ join कर रहे हो, what is the plan that we have. So of course, first of all, congratulations on completing your audition process today. This is your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. Because let's be honest, बहुत हिम्मत लगती है एक वर्चुअल स्क्रीन पे बैठ के अपने बारे में बात करने के लिए। एक एब्सोल्यूट स्ट्रेंजर, टू पुट योर इनसिक्योरिटीज आउट, टू पुट आउट योर बैकग्राउंड, एंड it takes a lot of efforts there. So to start with your effort appreciation, you will be receiving an audition report to kickstart the process. Now, this audition report is just a hint of what holds into the future. because हम लोग हमारा process इतना transparent रखना चाहते हैं that because see, let's figure out the bifurcations. आज आपने सुबह उठे, you chose what kind of outfit you wanted to wear, you gathered a lot of confidence, you put up the right makeup, so there comes in your effort, right? So to appreciate that, we will be sending out an audition report to each one of you, no matter if you are selected or not. Because see, even if you are selected, you need to know where to start from. किसी भी journey की शुरुआत करने से पहले ये पता होना जरूरी होता है कि आप खड़े कहाँ हो, आपके high points क्या हैं, आपके weak points क्या हैं. Then only you can mentally prepare yourself to work upon them, right? I can see most of you saying a yes to me. So I can, relate that you understand what I'm trying to convey. And the audition report will act like a certificate signed by the jury, which will be valid for a period of lifetime. Now, why is that important? Basically, आपको Forever Star India के forthcoming pageants में भी कभी भी audition देने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी once you have that audition report in your hands. So that is the kind of validity it holds. And of course, after you clear your audition, which I'm sure most of you guys are going to do, because look at you all, lovely women across the screen. So, and there I can see some smiling faces. Keep smiling, guys. You look so beautiful. You have completed your audition. Exam time khatam ho chuka hai. So once you clear the audition, you become a part of our community, our FCR, whole Forever Star India's community. Now, why am I calling it a community and not a beauty pageant? Because I'm sure, जैसे कि आप लोगों ने indirectly point out करने की कोशिश की, there have been some insecurities holding back because जो अब तक के beauty pageants रहे हैं, they have had stereotypical standards. Model height criteria, minimum 5'5", minimum 5'6", there should be a certain weight. For Mrs., there is a very uninclusive categories. But Forever Star India is not about the physical attributes at all. We are all about your talent, your passion. Because I'm sure अब तक आप लोगों को एक चीज समझ आई होगी एक दूसरे की बात सुन के, that आप लोग एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग हो. But there is one thing that is common between all of you. That is अपनी एक unique identity बनाना, अपनी एक पहचान बनाना. जरिए अलग हो सकते हैं, किसी के लिए modeling, किसी के लिए acting, किसी के लिए it's makeup, anything. But it comes down to मुझे लोग मेरे नाम से जाने, मेरे परिवार को लोग मेरे नाम से जाने. So that unique identity is what you are all here for, and that is what we are looking for. That is the only passion. Because coming to the trainings and groomings, जिस भी चीज में आप lack कर रहे हो, we have 150 plus experts who will be training you, grooming you virtually for 3 months extensively, ताकि आप अलग-अलग aspects में, because सिर्फ एक ही aspect नहीं होता है एक successful model का. There is so much that goes into it. Your ramp walk, your presentation, your virtual presentation. So everything will be taken care of by us through these experts who belong to fields like image consultancy, makeup artists, stylists, nutritionists, dietitians, and for that matter, ramp walk experts. जो आपके हर एक aspect को virtually train करेंगे, because we do not want to risk your lives before the grand finale, ताकि आप हर चीज comfortably access कर पाए through this virtual platform, जैसे कि आप आज audition दे रहे हो. Because it makes everything easier, right? You can access expertise of experts from Mumbai and Delhi without having to travel anywhere. That makes this platform a very different and unique idea so far. And of course, on the same lines, आप लोगों में से कितनों ने अपना नाम कभी Google किया है? Raise your hand, please. Nobody? Okay, very few. क्या होता है when we Google, we are like, हमारे नाम के कितने लोग होंगे, what is there to Google, right? अभी हम कुछ बने नहीं हैं. What if I tell you that जैसे ही आप हमारे साथ register होते हो, you become a member and an official participant. आपकी हमारी website पे एक profile create होती है. So as soon as that profile gets created, if you would search, for example, Divyanshi Rai, FCR participant, Shrutika Sona Parote, Miss India, और Mrs. India, जैसे ही आप Google पे ये सर्च करोगे, आपको अपनी प्रोफाइल एज अ मॉडल टॉप पे मिलेगी. No matter how many names do you have. I'm sure you would understand the kind of validity it holds, because आज के टाइम पे Google पे टॉप रैंकिंग पे आना, despite having similar names, brings a lot of value to your profile. तो अपनी एक यूनिक पहचान बनाने की शुरुआत तो वहीं से टिक ऑफ हो गई, right? You can easily tell someone, please मेरा नाम Google कर लीजिए, आपको मेरा काम दिख जाएगा. Imagine the kind of value it holds for that matter. So on the same lines, this is just the first opportunity that you will be receiving. There are many benefits that you're going to receive. For example, each of you will be receiving a unique hard copy certificate of participation as a memory, a personalized sash of your own, and there will be future opportunities because you will be receiving a lifetime membership of the platform. So basically, जैसे ही आप lifetime membership access करते हो, इस platform से जो भी opportunity generate होगी, आप उसको directly access कर पाओगे. What do I mean by that? So most of you mentioned that आप लोग makeup artists हो या आप makeup में interest रखते हो. We might collaborate with you next year as a makeup artist trainer for the next year participants. So for us, it's just your talent that matters. We are also launching our own OTT platform soon. I'm sure सबको OTT पता होगा. Not Netflix, Hotstar, Amazon have been the surviving schemes for all of us during the COVID times. So imagine getting an opportunity to audition for the role of acting, playback singing, script writing directly through a platform that is so secure. Because जैसे remember मैंने शुरू में बोला था कि the first thing that comes into our mind is कहीं ये fake तो नहीं है. You need to be double sure when you are entering the glamour industry, being women especially. So imagine getting this opportunity from a platform that you are already associated to. You don't have to think even twice before appearing for an audition. And on the same lines, the grand finale is going to happen in December, and वो event offline ही होगा because let's be honest, crown पहनना किसी को भी online अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. You would want to wear it while you are in those beautiful couture gowns and walking down the ramp along with the respective professional fashion designer and a makeup artist. So that is going to happen from 17th to 20th of December in Hotel Marriott Jaipur, the Pink City. And it's going to be an exuberant affair of 4 days where, we will have you guys a proper photo shoot, of course, the crowning ceremony, and a lot many, associations where you will be receiving so many opportunities to start with. And, like I said, there will be training sessions happening every, week for that matter to keep you guys trained so that you get to know what the whole platform is going to offer. Now, I am pitching in social media details of Forever Star India into the chat box. Make sure you guys take a screenshot because you guys are women of 2021. Research before you, get into something. Research very wisely, go through our website, our YouTube channel. Even this audition will be put up on our YouTube, the recording. So you guys are already celebrities. आप लोग YouTube पे जाने वाले हो, and it's going to be a start. And that is how we are going to move very transparently. Okay. So, and of course, for the entire process, आपका जो participation है, your, the entire grooming sessions, the lifetime membership, you have to pay a minimal fee of 4,000 plus GST. So ये आप जैसे ही आप audition clear करते हो, आपके पास report आती है, उसी हिसाब से you will be paying that once you clear the audition, and that is where your journey will begin. Now, if you have any questions, I will be more than happy to answer. So you can unmute yourself and ask it.
मैम
yes शुभांगी.
मैम मैं और एक बार रैंप वॉक करके दिखा सकती हूँ?
नहीं शुभांगी, don't worry, you don't have to be so conscious and nervous. There will be many more opportunities to work it out, and we do not expect any high profile things from you. You guys are beginners, but it's important to give a review. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, एक audition report की validity क्या है? आप समझेंगे कि आप कहाँ हैं, then only it will be easier for you to start your journey, right? That where you are lagging, what are your weak points, your high points. So yeah, don't worry about it. You don't have to be, in a tension or something. So anything else that I need to answer, ladies?
Ma'am.
Yes, Shrutika.
Ma'am, after selection, like ma'am जैसे आपने बताया, then ma'am grand finale के पहले like क्या procedure होंगे and what is the total cost?
Okay, so अभी nominal fee आपकी 4,000 plus GST होगी, जिसमें आपकी पूरी grooming sessions, the lifetime membership, जो top Google ranking और unique hard copy certificate, जो मैंने benefits mention किए थे, all of that will be a part. And post that आपको अलग-अलग trainings दी जाएंगी. And there will be talent rounds happening simultaneously. Because किसी भी exam से पहले coaching लेना बहुत जरूरी है, right? तो वो coaching भी हम ही offer करेंगे, and उसके बाद you will be put into a test, a round, a talent round, where you will get a chance to showcase all your talents and prove your worth. Because we will have winners from across the country, and the count goes up to a lot of numbers because we will have city winners, state winners, and national winners. So अगर आप किसी भी level पे winner बनते हैं, you will be becoming a part of the grand finale and joining us for the larger event.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So अभी के लिए don't worry about the future. Just take it very step by step and gradually. एक बार audition report की wait कीजिए. Keep your fingers crossed. and then the technical team will get in touch to explain the process even in more details.
Okay.
Okay. All right, ladies.
I want to ask you something. Hello.
Yes, Ritika, tell me.
Ma'am, इस राउंड में एलिमिनेशन हो सकता है? Actually, I am confused, so that's why.
तो ये राउंड नहीं है, ये आपका ऑडिशन है. आपके पास ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट में ही क्लैरिटी आएगा.
Didn't get your voice. Can you please repeat?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये राउंड नहीं है रितिका, आपको ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट में ही क्लैरिटी आएगा कि आप सिलेक्ट हुए हो या नहीं. आप सिलेक्ट होते हो नहीं होते हो, आपके पास ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट जरूर आएगा. बिकॉज इवन इफ यू डोंट गेट सिलेक्टेड, यू नीड टू नो राइट कि आप कहाँ लैग कर गए, कहाँ आप इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो, बिकॉज तभी आपका फ्यूचर वहां पे कनेक्ट होता है. एंड डोंट वरी, आई एम श्योर यू गाइस आर ऑल ब्यूटीफुल इंटरेस्टिंग इंडिविजुअल्स, यू आर गोना गेट सिलेक्टेड.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, ladies, thank you so much. Mahi, yes, do you have a question?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, मैम मुझे ये पूछना था कि सेकंड राउंड में अभी क्या मतलब सेकंड राउंड में मतलब किस चीज का होगा मुझे?
इसके बाद कोई राउंड नहीं है माही, ये आपका ऑडिशन एक ही है. इसी के बाद आपको रिपोर्ट 24 to 48 आवर्स, अगर कल सैटरडे है तो या तो कल शाम तक या मंडे सुबह तक आपके पास ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी. वो डिजिटल रिपोर्ट होगी और आपको क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगी. उसके बाद एक पूरा डिफरेंट प्रोसेस शुरू होगा, बिकॉज तब आप पार्टिसिपेंट बन जाओगे. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए वी विल बी टेकिंग इट वेरी स्लो, स्टेप बाय स्टेप, ताकि आपको ट्रेन भी कर पाए, आपकी एक प्रॉपर तैयारी कर पाए, एंड देन ट्रेनर्स विल बी ट्रेनिंग यू वर्चुअली.
Hello, ma'am. Sorry to say, can you please repeat? Actually, network issue है, उस वजह से मैं सुन नहीं पाई.
तो आप अपने सवाल का जवाब दोबारा पूछ रही हैं या माही के सवाल का?
No, ma'am. माही के सवाल का.
So by that I mean that audition सिर्फ एक ही है जो आज हो गया है, राइट? इसके बाद कोई राउंड नहीं है. इसके बाद you will get clarity कि आप सिलेक्ट हुए हो या नहीं, एंड उसके बाद you will become a participant. उसका पूरा एक अलग प्रोसेस है जो आपको जैसे ही आप पार्टिसिपेंट बनते हो वो समझा दिया जाएगा, बिकॉज वी विल हैव डिफरेंट ट्रेनिंग सेशंस, डिफरेंट राउंड्स, जिसके बारे में हम ग्रेजुअली बात करेंगे. अभी आपको किसी भी चीज की टेंशन नहीं लेनी है. यू जस्ट हैव टू थिंक अबाउट एंड वेट फॉर योर ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट, एंड वंस यू गेट सिलेक्टेड वी विल कीप इट वेरी ग्रेजुअल. जैसे आपको ऑडिशन के बारे में इन्फॉर्म किया होगा, राइट? उन्होंने पूरा प्रोसेस समझाया होगा कॉल पे, लेकिन इसके बाद हम ट्रेनिंग्स करेंगे जिसमें आई विल बी सिटिंग बैक एंड एक्सप्लेनिंग यू एवरीथिंग. तो ऑडिशन का कोई और राउंड नहीं है. दिस इज इट. आज खत्म हो गया एग्जाम ही.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, anything else guys that you want me to answer? Okay, thank you so much. Have a lovely evening ahead. All the best. I'm really looking forward to see you guys in the training sessions with these lovely smiles, with your intention of creating a unique identity for yourself. Thank you so much for your time, and bye-bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome. Bye-bye.